Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, I'm so annoyed. I have started this video over 4 different times. So I've been filming at night because it's quieter, but I thought I would go ahead and film this video today and just get it knocked out. And I've had 4 interruptions in a row. Okay, so I'm just going to keep plowing through you guys. So for today's video, it is a collaboration between Erin, the Handbag Housewife, Winnie BLV, and Eva, Fuchsia Floyd. So Erin asked all of us to do this collab, and the name of the collaboration is 5 Coach bags that I almost bought, but I didn't. So when Erin asked me to do this video, I said sure, because I can think of quite a few Coach handbags that I almost bought, but I didn't. And really right now, Coach and I are kind of broken up. Like, I'm not enthralled with what they're putting out. I mean, all the stuff that I really loved, I already got it, and I just need to cool it, you guys. So this is a great time to do this video. So if you want to hear about the 5 Coach handbags that I almost purchased and didn't, stick around. All right, guys. So all last year, there was a bit of a Pillow Madison craze going on. Every luxury YouTuber was unboxing the Pillow Madison. And I, yes, was right in the middle of the craziness, okay? So I first purchased this Pillow Madison when I was in Philly with Dawn. And it was a great purchase because I love a flat bag and it was gray. And I didn't have a gray bag in my collection. All right. After, I did get this one on sale, I think 25%, and then after that, I found this one, and it was on sale, and I thought, are they too similar? But I really don't have a lot of blue, especially this color blue. I have the cocoa handle up here in navy, and I thought, well, I'm gonna get it. Like, I think it was 40% off, and then, oh yes, if that wasn't enough, I purchased the cream and gold, and I justified it by saying it's gold hardware, these are ruthenium hardware, this one is a spring and summer bag, and I really need it. Okay, where am I going with all this? Well, after I got this one was the last one that I got, I thought I really need a small one. I would love to either have a black one, and then I found that hot pink, I think it was hot pink. And I thought, I'll get the small one for a crossbody bag because I like to wear these over my shoulder, although I can wear them crossbody. Anyway, you guys, I stopped myself. Who needs over 3 bags, the same bags? I mean, if that's your jam, that's fine. And I do buy multiples when I really love something, clearly, I do. But I didn't need any more Pillow Madisons. Even if it was a smaller Pillow Madison, the 18, this is the full size. I just didn't need any more. So I stopped myself. Yes, my better judgment kicked in. And I said to myself, Yota, you just don't need another Pillow Madison. I don't care what color it is. And so when Erin asked me to do this video, it was the first thing I thought of, because this is my type of bag, you guys. It's soft, it's a shoulder bag, it has the beautiful chain, it has the turn lock, it's got the back pocket, it has everything but feet, okay? So yes, these are fantastic bags, and there's a reason why there was a bit of a Pillow Madison craze among this community. And I feel like the bags that I have are lovely. I've thought about selling the blue one, but really, why? I have it, just use it. I'm not gonna sell it, but I don't need any more. I stopped myself. And I'm very proud of myself for that. Because I really did want the hot pink in the smaller size. Do I need it? No, I do not need it. But people just went crazy over these bags this year. And Coach, there for a while, they were putting out so many fabulous bags, and all the luxury YouTubers were all over Coach this year. But right now, since the big craze and some of the other nicer bags that I purchased have come out, I mean, for me personally, I feel like I have everything that I want, and I haven't seen anything else come out that I really want. So the first bag on my list, of course, is the smaller, the 18 size Coach Pillow Madison. All right, guys, there was another Coach bag. I loved it. I looked at it all the time. I lusted over it. And that was the Coach Studio bag. It was in that beautiful pink with that beautiful handle. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I'm going to insert pictures here so you guys can see them. I loved that bag. And Dawn got it. Dawn got it. And she loves it. It's a fabulous bag. So many YouTubers jumped on the bandwagon to buy the Coach Studio bag. It came in that gray and the pink. Well, I love pink bags. I really do. And it finally went on sale, but then I thought for some reason I needed the gray, but it never went on sale. And I don't even know what I was thinking back then. I think my judgment was a bit clouded because I already had this bag. And then I thought maybe I should just buy the pink one. So after many weeks of deep contemplation, I finally decided to heck with that studio shoulder bag. I don't need it. No, I will not buy you. I don't care how much you try to tempt me. I'm not going to buy you. I don't care if you go 50% off. It doesn't matter to me because I'm not going to buy you. So I said no. I said no to the bag. No, studio shoulder bag. I don't care what price you are. I'm not going to buy you. I am going to show strength, true grit, willpower, and I'm going to say no to the studio shoulder bag. And that's exactly what I did, you guys. I just didn't buy it. Finally, the pink one went on sale. Finally, the gray one went on sale, and I did not buy it. I'm very proud of myself because this gray bag, I mean, honestly, I feel like everybody needs a gray bag, but why do I need two? So, yes, I erred on the side of, you know, common sense and modesty. And honestly, I'm really proud. I'm proud of myself that I was able to say no to the studio shoulder bag because it is a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. All right, now this next bag that I'm going to speak about, you guys, it brings a little tear in my eye because I still want it. And it still hasn't went on sale. And if it did, I might buy it, but I'm not going to pay full price, okay? I like to call this bag the Coach bag that got away because I just don't think it's going on sale, you guys. And that is the Coach Rogue in black rivet, the small size 17. I've watched it. I've looked for it. I mean, I'm always looking at it. And I bought those Clydesdale shoes, you know, the clogs, and I thought it'd be so cute together. And I love it. I have the little studio, oh, I still have that bag on my mind. I have the little Coach Rogue in Cherry 17, and I love it, and I would love to have the black one. If it ever went on sale, your girl's gonna buy it. But so far, you guys, I have said no to the bag. No. Get behind me, devil. I will not buy the Coach Rogue bag with the rivets at full price. I was able to muster up strength and determination that I will not buy that bag full price. I mean, listen, I have said so many times, don't ever buy a Coach bag full price. I do think there are some Coach bags that never go on sale, and I've made the mistake of watching certain bags thinking, this one is never ever going on sale. The moment I buy it, it goes on sale. It's some kind of curse. It's some kind of bag curse. I don't know who cursed me, Winnie BLD, but I don't know who did it, Autumn Beckman. Somebody did it because no matter how long the bag is available at full price, once I finally give in and buy the bag, it goes on sale. So you guys, I'm saying this for the 2 millionth time. Don't buy Coach bags full price. I mean, do you guys think the Coach Rogue with the rivets in black will ever go half price? It's not looking like it unless I were to pay full price. Then it's going half price. That's all I'm saying, okay? So, anyway. I refrained, you guys, again, just grit and willpower and just being stubborn. I won't buy it full price. So I did say no to the bag. I love it, but I'm not going to pay full price for that bag. I shall lust from afar. I just feel like the Coach Rogue 17 with those little rivets goes with my style and my vibe, and I just think, oh, it's so edgy and cute for date night. Oh, I still want it. But anyway, let's move along to the fourth bag on my list, and this is another one that just will not go on sale, you guys. The Coach Mini Cashin in the chalk. Now, I've seen it on sale, the kind of a royal blue with the rivets. I don't want that color. As I was saying before my battery so rudely, oh my gosh, okay, died out. The Coach Mini Cashin in chalk. I love chalk leather. I love the way it looks. It's so elegant and beautiful, and I would love to have the Coach Mini Cashin. But that's the only color I want, and of course that's the color that has yet to go on sale. It has not been on sale, nor do I think it will unless I break down and buy it. I mean, that's just the way it is, you guys, and I'm not going to break down and buy it. So I have said no yet again to another Coach bag because even though I want it and I think it's so, so cute, there's just no way that I'm going to pay full price for that bag. So, of course, the silhouette reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Petite Sac Flap. Now, Winnie had that, and I believe she sold it. I should have bought it from her. I went to Louis Vuitton at Saks Fifth in Birmingham, and I had it in my little hands, and I was going to buy it, okay? So here's a story you guys don't know about, and I thought, I'm buying this Petite Sac Flap. I just think it's so cute, crossbody. Just put your phone in there, a card holder, and a key fob. I mean, and a lipstick. That's all you need. And I want that so bad. And Keith absolutely hated it. And he said, are you buying that? And I said, yeah, I'm buying it myself with my money. And I love it. And he's like, I don't like that bag. And he said, if you will just pick out something else, I'll pay for it. I mean, what's a girl to do, right? You know, in hindsight, I wish I had just bought the darn bag, but I didn't buy it. And I regret it. And so the closest thing to that is the Mini Cashin, but I just want the chalk. So anyway, you guys, I love that little small bag so, so much. And I think Caleb Snell, hi Caleb, he has it. And he says buy it and pay full price for it. He loves it. And I know I would love it. I know I would use it a lot, and it would be worth it just to, you know, wear crossbody and just go and... But you guys, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to say no to another Coach bag. Unless you go on sale, Mini Cashin bag from Coach, I won't be buying you. But I sure would love to find a really good deal on a Petite Sac Flat. Plat. I always want to say flat. Petite Sac Plat. I think it's so adorable. But anyway, we're not talking about that. We're talking about Coach. So unless the Coach Mini Cashin in chalk goes on sale, I shall continue to withhold my funds. I will not buy that bag no matter what. All right, the next one. I don't have a next one, okay? I just don't have a next one, you guys. I looked all over the website, and I've thought maybe about buying a tote, but I don't know. I haven't seen anything else that I absolutely want that I haven't purchased. I mean, that's about it. So this is my video. So I'm just going to have to cut it short because I'm not going to make up something for the video's sake. I have thought about totes, but I have a Neverfull. I have the GM. I have the PM. I have a Gucci tote. I have enough totes, you guys. So really don't see myself choosing a Coach tote over the luxury totes that I have. And I guess just totes in general. And I may be selling one of my Coach totes anyway when I get my vlog sale together. But you guys, I can't think of anything. So let's just say Coach totes, because I've looked at them a lot. They're so, so pretty. And Coach is beautiful, and I've always said Coach is luxurious and luxury to me, and it is a contemporary brand, but they're very well made. I mean, you just can't get a better bag than this right here. I mean, you just can't. It's beautiful. But I am a bit of a handbag snob, you guys. I mean, I'm a self-admitted handbag snob, and I prefer luxury bags. Now, the prices of luxury bags, I mean, they just keep climbing. So I will be lucky with these prices and the way they're soaring to get one luxury bag every 2 years. I think that's what it's coming down to. But anyway, you guys, just any Coach tote. I just have not pulled the trigger on that. So that's really all I have as far as the Coach bags that I've said no to. And I said this before, we're on a bit of a breakup right now. And unless I see something so awesome, or one of the 2 bags that I mentioned that I really want goes on sale, half price, I'm just not going to be buying any more Coach for quite a long time. So I just really don't want to buy too many bags this year. I may have started out buying a bag, but that's not what I'm going to be doing this year. And why do I keep saying this on every video? Here comes Guess again. But anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, please do go over to my friends, check out their videos, see what they have turned down, see what Coach bags that they've said no to. So it would be a really good show. Instead of say yes to the dress, say no to the bag. That's right. We could star in that show. This has been a lot of fun. Hi, Gus. Are you proud of me? I said no to the bag. Anyway, you guys, come on. Come up here. Come on. Come on. Come on, Gus. Okay, he ran away. All I have to do is try to pick him up. He ran away. But anyway, you guys, it's Keith's birthday. I have to go downstairs and try to do something with my hair, put on something nice, and we're going out for dinner. I'm taking Keith out. Oh, yeah. And I really would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe. Please subscribe. Please. I will do anything. Anything. My Lord, I would just do anything to get to 6,000 subscribers. Please. Just have everybody you know subscribe. They don't have to watch. Just subscribe. Anyway, thank you guys for spending time with me today. I will see you again in a couple of days.